Yes, good evening everyone. So we have been instructed to do QuickBooks. So we have a simple illustration. Well, my name is Emmanuel Atofias. So we shall come to detailed start. So we are going to create our company. So we are going to use Team Tofias as our company. Our legal name shall still be Kim Tofias as our name. We come to country, come to others, then we go to next. We shall select the form of industry. We shall select our form of industry. So for this case we shall consider it to be a general product based business. We go to next. How is your company organized? It's going to be a sole proprietorship. We go to next. Select the month of the fiscal year. We shall go with the one that has been given, which is January. Then they are telling us to set up administrator password. So in this case we shan't do that. You can as well do it if you're interested, but for us we are not going to do that. Next. Create your company file. Next. So we save it as Kim Tofias. So it's saving. You be a little bit patient as you wait. So we're still waiting for it to finish uploading, then we can continue. You have to be patient, otherwise you may find yourself rushing and then you remove the data. Well, so we are done. We can proceed with next. What do you sell? We sell both services and products. The next. Do you charge sale taxes? Yes, has been recommended. Next. Do you want to create estimates in QuickBooks? Yes, because it has been recommended. Tracking customer. Do you want to track sales orders before you invoice your customers? Yes, has been recommended. Next. Do you want to use programs invoicing progress? No, has been recommended. Next. Do you want to keep track of bills? Yes, has been recommended. Next. Do you want to track inventory in QuickBooks? Yes. The next. Do you want to track time in QuickBooks? Proceed. No, has been recommended. Do you have employees? Yes. We shall select the first option. The next. Next. Select a date to start tracking your finances, beginning of the fiscal year. Next. So we shall go to setup. As you can see, we have been congratulated upon completing that level. So we go to setup. So I'm trying to put the button for start working. about that. It's kinda complicated. I'm trying to move the I'm trying to bring this thing over, start working. Well, so before we go any further, we shall first come and edit our currencies. We come to edit, we come to preferences, then we come to company preferences. Track multiple currencies in this company, yes. Then we come to yes. We change the US dollar to our currency. Come to view more currencies. We come to the Ugandan shillings. Then we make it active. Yes. Then we press OK. So they're telling us your company will now close and reopen with your updated settings. Okay. So now we begin our workings. So we shall come to the first bit of the question is on the inventory part. So we shall come to inventory activities. Then we come to new inventory, we come to new inventory item, we come to the inventory part, we put our inventory name as petrol. It's a sub item of, we come to our unit of measure, single unit per item. So we come to next. So since it in liters, we shall put it in volume. So we come to next. We come to select the unit of measure, we come to liter. Then we come to finish. So now we shall come to our cost. So we are going to put 3,000. We come to our selling or the sales price, which is 3,400. Then we come to our preferred vendor. So we add new. So we shall put Mr. John. Then we come to OK. So we shall come to the income account. So we shall put merchandise. We add new, create the name. as merchandise sales. Merchandise sales, we come and save and close. So we come and do the same stuff. We come and say okay. So as you can see, it has been displayed. We come to still new inventory, come to new inventory item, come to inventory part, we put the item as engine oil. Sub item of unit of measure. So our engine oil is in kilograms, so we shall put weight. We say next, so it is in kilograms. Then we finish. Then we come and say okay. No, before we do that, we first put our costs. So our cost is 2,300. Our sales price is 2,800. We come and put our preferred vendor. We add new, and for this case, our preferred vendor is Mr. Tom. We come and press OK. We specify the income account, so it's also merchandise sales. Then we come and say OK. It has been displayed. As you can see, we come and put another item. We follow the same procedure. Come to new inventory, come to item name, which is gas. So we come and put the name as gas. Come to our unit of measure. Gas is in liters, and we have already created that unit of measure. Inventory part, item name, gas, unit of measure. Unit of measure is liters. Then we come and put our cost. So here we have 3,500. Come and put our sales. We have 4,100. We come to our preferred vendor. We add new, and for this case it's Mr. Alex Limited. We come and press OK. We specify the income account. Still it's merchandise sales. Then we press OK. Then we come to inventory. We put another item. We come to inventory part. We put the the item name, which is 2T oil, unit of measure, it's still liter. We come to our cost, so we have 3000. Come to our sales price, which is 4200. We come and put our preferred vendor, so we add new, and for this case it's Mr. Paul Limited. We come and say okay. We specify the income account as still merchandise sales, then we say okay. So we go back to home. So here we are proceeding to the next step, which is customers. We shall come to our menu button or our menu bar. We come to customers, we go to customer center, so we come to new, we come to new customer. So customer name is Manchester United. We come and say okay. So there is no figures that we are going to put that have not been given. We come and follow the same procedure. We come to new, come to customer name, which is Arsenal Farmers. We come and say okay. Then still we follow the same procedure that we have used on the above transactions. We come to new customer job, we come to new customer. We put the customer name as Liverpool Limited. We have been given the addresses, but for this case I'm not going to put them. Come and say okay. So we go back to home. So they are telling us we have been given our accounts. So we have Stanbic as a current account, and then we have Equity as our savings account. So we shall come to our chart of accounts. So we come and make a general journal. Sorry about that. We are still in our chart of accounts. So we are trying to create our, so we come and so we add new account. We come to bank, we say continue. So we put our account name as Stanbic Bank. Description, it's a current account. Then we save and close. You can as well save and say new. Save and close. So we come to another account, we say add new, we still go to bank, we say continue. Our account name is Equity Bank. Now we come to our description as savings account. Save and close. So now we are done with that. So we shall go to our other procedure, other steps. So they're telling us deposit capital of shillings 15 million to their current account. So we shall come to home. So we shall come to home. So they're telling us to deposit. So we shall come and first generalize. So here the account, we are depositing shillings 15 million to the current account, and you will know that our current account is Stanbic. We shall come and debit Stanbic with 15 million. Then we come and credit our cash account with still 15 million. Save and close. Then they're telling us paid rent of shillings 50,000 using savings account. So we are going to debit our rent and then we credit our savings account. So we come and make a general journal. So our account here, we are going to say add new. So rent is an expense, we come to expense, then we continue. So the account name is rent. Then we come and save and close. So here we are supposed to debit it with 50,000 Uganda shillings. And then we come and credit our savings account, which is equity. So come and say save and close. They are telling us shillings 7.5 million was transferred from savings account to the current account to cater for business expenses. Then we shall come to banking. Then we say transfer funds. So we are transferring funds from our savings account, which is equity, to our current account, which is Stanbic. So our transfer amount is 7.5 million. Then we come and save and close. So they're telling us process the following purchases. So we shall come to the purchases. So you can see our screen has been displayed. Before we do that, we shall first create our purchase orders. So our vendors, they are saying 150 liters of petrol up to date. From this was divided. So we shall come and say. So our vendor here for petrol was Mr. John. We come and put Mr. John. Then the item is petrol. Then we put the quantity, which is 150 liters. You can as well put the vendor message, it's okay, and save and close. So we come and put another purchase order. We come to the vendor here. So they're telling us 300 kgs of gas. All assignments have been delivered. So we come and say we are on gas. So our vendor for gas was Mr. Alex. We come and put the item name, Mars Gas. Then we come and put the quantity. So for this case we have 300. We come and say save and due. So we have a similar transaction that we want to make. Our vendor for this case was we have 500 liters of engine oil. All assignments received. And our vendor for engine oil was Mr. Tom. So we come to the item. It is engine oil. We come to quantity. It was 450. We come and save and close. So they're telling us that we should process the following sales orders. So for this case we shall go to our sales order, as you can see it here. So they're telling us 50 liters of petrol to Liverpool. So it's Liverpool, item, it's petrol. Then you come and put the quantity ordered. So there were 50 liters only. So we come and save and new, since we have a similar transaction that we are going to make. Then we come to 100 kgs of gas to Manchester United. We come to our customer. So that telling us it was Manchester United. Come and put Manchester United. Come to our item, choose gas. We come to the quantity ordered. So for this case there were 100. Then we come and save and close. So now they're telling us received full payments from Manchester United and deposit the money into the current account. So we shall first create our invoice, then we can make the payments. So we come to create invoice. So it is received full payment from Manchester United. We come and put Manchester United. Then we come to so that one has been created. You can see them here. Come and say save and new. Then we come to receive the half of the amount due from Liverpool. We come and put Liverpool. Create invoice for selected item, okay. And it was petrol. So you can see them, they have been displayed. We say okay. Then we come and save and close. So they're telling us make full payments to Mr. John using the current account. So we shall come to enter bills. Enter bills. Our vendor is Mr. John. We come and pay. So they are telling us to make the full payments to Mr. John using the current account. That one is Stanbic. So I think that one is done. So we are going to pay bills. We come and pay Mr. John. So the account we are using is our current, which is Stanbic. Okay. So you come and pay the selected bills. So now they're telling us, according to the bank statement from Stanbic Bank, the following does not appear in the bank current account. So we are going to the reconciliation bit of the thing, and in this case we are bringing in terms the balances of the cash book with those in the bank, with those of the bank statement. So you come and you can use this format. So you first go to home. So you come and say done after paying your bills. So now they're telling us we are reconciling the bank current account with the cash balances. So we shall go to chart of accounts. And then we shall make general entries. So they're telling us bank charges at of shillings. This we have interest on bank deposits. So we are going to deposit our interest from bank deposits, and then we shall credit our current account. So we come to debit, we come to add new. This is income, so we continue and we put interest from deposits. Come and say save and close. So we put 15,200. Then we come and credit our current account, which is Stanbic. We come and save and close. Still we do the same. Come and create general entry, journals. So they're telling us bank charges of shillings 48,500. So we are going to debit our, so we shall bank charges of, so yeah, these are transactions. So we have bank charges, and then we have our current account, which is Stanbic Bank. So we shall debit Stanbic with a 48. With 48,500. Then we come and credit our service charges, what we can call the, so we shall call it an expense, We continue. So come and say service charges, so you can call them bank charges if you want. So it's already here, as you can see, 48,500. Then we save and close. Thank you so much. That's what I had for you.